Flavored ice cream with cinnamon toast crunch.
2 tablespoons of sugar. So basically, if ever getting back together. Oh, that's Taylor Swift, but whatever. Okay, as I was saying, yes.
Do they all hate each other?
No, I mean, like, no one wants their face to be seen. Normally. I mean, not everyone, but normally, you know, on average, most people who do hand modeling. Okay.
No.
That should have been a category. Oops, bad survey design. Either way, it's
Como.
Oreo Como.
I can't get it back in the thing. I want to keep the packaging. It won't go back in.
Yeah, probably. The scam.
I don't know.
The parents are being. Tyler.
Saxophone. Do you want to play the saxophone?
I'm also ambidextrous, but I kind of lost that skill. It was just like, I'm getting back to painting. People forget it's illegal, right? I want to post this. Like, I'll post it on my Snap. Graphic design skills in person.
How does it look?
I was gonna see.
I didn't learn about crack until I was like 29.
You scream, I scream, we all scream for ice cream. Okay, success.
It's too early for ice cream though. Do we have any food?
No, but we have ice cream. Add some salt. Should we have added salt?